It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
These are Oreos and they're Carrot Cake Oreos. So let's test them out.
Why do we have Carrot Cake Oreos?
Because it's a new Friday and we got to eat them.
Is Carrot Cake Daddy's favorite?
Yeah.
Do you think he should try the first one?
Yeah.
All right, see if he'll come outside.
Daddy! Come try the first one!
Go get him, see if he'll come out.
Daddy! Come eat the first Oreo carrot cake!
Why?
What? Because we told you to.
It's your
Listen
favorite.
to our orders.
Listen to us.
Yeah, to us.
What am I eating?
One of these. The first one of these.
What is it?
A carrot cake Oreo. Carrot
You think
cake.
it's gonna taste like carrot cake?
Yeah. Hey, you forgot to pass us that one. Give us one.
Casey, nice that. It was good.
So compared to butter.
So I think the crust tastes kind of like graham crackers. The filling tastes like frosting on a carrot cake with the flavor of carrot cake in it. It tastes I think the filling tastes like my mom's cream cheese frosting. So good.
It smells like it tastes like butter to me. But it's almost
I'm gonna try just the filling.
It tastes really close to the carrot cake, but it has the crunchy feeling, and it tastes, I say better. than normal.
Just eating the middle is super sweet. I think
2 thumbs up? Are you giving it a 2 thumbs up?
I think that if I were to have the choice of eating either the middle or the outside, I think I'd choose the middle.
If you had a choice of Carrot Cake Oreos or regular Oreos?
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
If you had a choice of Carrot Cake Oreos or carrot cake?
I'd want the Oreos.
It depends how big the slice is. But by taste, it would be Oreos.
I'd take Oreos. Yeah, Oreos are better by taste.
Mom, can I have
I give it
another
a
one?
thumbs up.
Can I have another one?
Bye-bye.